What's up, guys? It's Quentin.
And Elena, welcome back to Q&A. Today we are doing the pause challenge.
So how it works is, we'll be making slime, and our dad has that remote, and if he says pause, we have to stop, and the other person needs to try to ruin the other person's slime by dumping any color they want before they say unpause, then they have to stop.
I know. I'm not gonna tell Q what I'm going for because I know he's gonna ruin it for me.
You're gonna ruin it for me, I bet.
I'm gonna be like.
No, because you can only do one.
I know. So let's just get right into the video. I'm going to start with. I'm gonna start this.
Let's start with this blue.
I'm gonna start with the white. This kind.
Pause, Elena.
No. Okay. Anyways, that's not even ugly. I like it. Anyways, I need a green.
Unpause.
So thank you, Q. I need a green anyways. Okay, I got out.
I'm trying to get mine out as fast as I can.
What else should I get?
Pause, Quentin.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's okay. I dumped out of it. Okay.
Unpause, Quentin.
Oh no! Whoa. Alright, I think I got it.
There's still kind of.
I think I got most of
There's
it.
not that much in it. Thank you for getting the ugly green inside, because I need a green anyways. I needed it
You need to
anyways.
pour another color in now.
I'm going with white.
Okay.
Be careful of the pause
I'm gonna
button.
probably go with white.
I don't need that much white. Please don't pause me. I don't think. Okay. Wait, nope. Okay, I think that's enough.
Put more than that. Use like all the glue.
But actually, I'm making. Okay, I'm gonna.
Pause, Elena.
No! 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 Get away! Get away!
Unpause, Elena.
No!
You're gonna make me miss all my glue and get it all over the table.
That's what I'm trying to
You
do.
can't
Pause,
show.
Quentin.
Okay, no. Okay, no. I'm just going to finish on my slime. I'm not going to do anything.
Unpause, Quentin.
See, I was nice to you.
I'm not gonna be nice to you. That's a fact.
Hey!
Mine kind of looks like American flag. If only the pink was red.
Mine, I'm not, mine.
Pause, Elena.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, thank you. I need red anyways.
I should start pouring some glitter in mine too.
Unpause, Elena.
Yes!
Come on, come on, come on.
Okay,
All the glitter.
I'm going.
What about silver in too?
I don't know what the glitter I should use.
Alright, I think I got quite a lot of glitter.
Okay. I'm gonna use brown. I'm gonna look that one.
Pause, Quentin.
At the opportunity. Oops. Dun.
Elena, try to make it in the bowl though.
Unpause, Quentin.
What color's ugly to ruin hers?
Ooh. So I just got the black. Food coloring. I'm gonna use some of the food coloring. Hey. Okay, I guess I'm going with. Wait, no blue. No blue. How do I open this?
Just the lid off. It's pretty easy.
Okay. Gotta pull another. Okay, that's enough. That's kind of enough. I'm going to pull on the blue.
I don't know what I'll color on it. Are they gonna do silver?
Pause, Elena.
Nope. Okay, thank you. I need yellow anyways. Ew, this oranges.
Unpause, Elena.
You don't need to elbow me out of the way, Elena. I
Want you anywhere by my
when he says
slime.
pause, I know to move. Oh, the blue glitter.
Pause,
looks-
Quentin.
Please don't. Just rip it. Rip it up. Oh, no.
Unpause, Quentin.
I tricked you. I actually wanted you to do this. This actually looks cool because of you.
I'm gonna do the unicorns.
Oh, blue. Give me a blue.
Okay. Here, I'll give you the blue glitter.
He's got enough glitter.
I have enough glitter.
I'm not gonna. No, I want
Please. Here, you can pick one of my colors.
that. Okay, I want the purple.
Fine. Okay.
Thanks.
Pause, Elena. Or Quentin.
I got some on me.
Unpause, Quentin.
Okay, I'm gonna put the west inside mine. It's probably gonna look weird.
I'm gonna add this.
I'm gonna use a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna fix up the yellow. Okay. Should be enough.
Pause, Elena.
No. Nope. What are you doing? Oh, that's not actually green. It's actually green.
I think I broke the can. Oh well.
This must gonna turn out green.
Unpause, Elena.
I need to put a little more glitter or glue. I mean,
Put a tiny bit of this pink.
Pause, Quentin.
like that.
Elena, he paused me.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wait, nope.
Elena, I have enough glitter. No.
Unpause, Quentin.
Now I need to add more glue.
There's not such thing as too much glitter. Not such thing as too much glitter. Can never go wrong with glitter.
Yeah, you can. You can go wrong with glitter.
You're wrong.
In fact, I guess. Pour the way.
Come on!
Cute.
I hope he pauses you.
Pause, Elena.
Oh, come on.
Cute. No. Please. No. Okay. Nope. That's gonna be too green. Unpause me!
You can't tell him then to unpause you.
Unpause, Elena.
Get out of here! Okay, that's too much green. I'm gonna put a little bit gold. Big gold glitter. It's gonna be so glittery. I'm going for so glittery. I'm going for unicorn slime. I told him now. It's gonna be
I'm mad that you put that orange in. It's so ugly. That orange is kind of ugly.
what sisters do, I guess.
You sure?
Yeah, guess. It's their life. You can also pause him while he's stirring. You can also pause him when he's stirring.
Pause Quentin.
Yes. I have the opportunity.
Unpause Quentin.
Poop.
You need to do it fast.
Mix.
I have so much glitter.
Be careful the
Pause
pop.
Elena. Unpause Elena.
Okay. Oh, this is mostly tuning out green.
He's gonna go, pause Quentin, unpause Quentin. As you're pouring it in, it's all, darn it. Yours is gonna turn out green.
What do you guys think of each other so far?
Yours is ugly.
Hey.
Don't say ugly.
Oh, poops.
Grab it up.
I can't. Oh, maybe it's not gonna turn out all green.
Might be green with red.
Probably. I think it's gonna turn out mostly green, but some is probably gonna be red, I think. I think it's gonna turn out greenish red.
I wish you didn't add that orange. Yeah, yours is gonna be greenish red.
Or greenish white or something.
We've got them pretty mixed up. We're gonna do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1.
And we're back.
I think your orange glitter messed mine up. I didn't really want orange glitter.
I can see the stars in mine. So one star
Look, I
right
can
there,
see the
one star
beads.
right there, one star 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 right there, one star
Going
right
on the
there.
table, Quentin. Help, quick.
Ah,
I have a lot of beads in mine. There's
let's
bead-
see.
There's a bead right there, bead right there, bead right there, there. Beads everywhere.
Bead rubble the world.
I didn't put any beads in yours.
Yeah, you should have. Or I
Should have.
Yeah, you should have put beads in it when you had the opportunity.
Yeah, but I think I ruined your slime pretty good already.
Yep.
If you think mine wins, type unicorn wins in the comments.
If you think mine wins, type in Yoda Green wins in the comments. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when we upload. Make sure to share, leave a like, and we will see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye. Mine's a basketball.
Mine kind of looks like Yoda's head.
It looks more like a skull, like just like add the eyes,
The eyes.
and add a like mouthish. It doesn't really.
It's like an alien.
Yeah, that looks like an alien.
Scary.
That's
It's
his
going on
mouth.
the table, Elena. Hold it back up.
You destroyed the alien.
Aliens will not rule the world today.
You know what I'm gonna make mine look like? I'm gonna make mine look like, well, I'm gonna make mine look, I'm gonna make
Let's
something
see who
special.
can make the best. Let's see who can make the best on a basketball. I'm gonna try to make a circle. I'm gonna try to make a circle. Just gonna squish it down. You can also do it on the ground.
That's a smart idea. Why'd you tell me that?
Because I did.
You're trying to win.
Yeah, guess. No, I'm not really trying to win. Something. But if I
Sticking
did,
to my hands like.
do you think I won the basketball competition? Mine kind of looks like a feather, or a leaf or
It's like a
something.
leaf.
It's like a leaf. Okay, I'm gonna fix.
I'm
mine.
gonna redo mine.
I'm fixing mine.
I'm gonna get mine into a ball and just kind of like let it. Alright, mine's in a
Oh,
ball.
mine kind of looks like an alien.
Alright, mine's in a ball. I'm gonna
Okay, I need mine into a ball.
push it down a little.